Hello everyone on my Autocritic channel. Today I will show you how to refill the kitchen lighter with gas. What do we need to fill the lighter with gas? First of all, we need a container with propane butane gas and the kitchen lighter itself. Then we take the container with propane gas, propane butane gas from the top above the kitchen lighter. In the hole that's in. Then take the container with propane-butane from the top above the kitchen lighter. Push the container as far as it will go. There is a characteristic ticking, and then we have a full kitchen lighter. We can repeat the action 2-3 times, then we are sure that the kitchen lighter is completely full. That was end for this episode. Thank you for your attention. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers. See you next time.